My name is Peter. I'm one of the reference librarians from Howe Library in Hanover, New Hampshire. Today I'm here to give you a quick tutorial on how to use your laptop and mobile device to find titles on the new books and new DVD shelves at Howe Library. I'll also show you how to place holds on the items you find using your laptop or mobile device. What you'll need today you'll need a computer or mobile device with a web browser and internet access. And the only other thing you'll need today will be your library card number and your PIN. The PIN number default is the last four digits of the phone number that we have on file for you at the library. So that's the last four digits of your phone number, unless you've changed it. Your library card number is the 14-digit barcode number on the back of your library card. If you lost your library card or need a new one or want to get a library card, please get in touch with us at the library. You can reach out to us by email or by phone, and I will place those details in the comments to this video. And so I'm going to go ahead and get started on showing you how to look for and find and browse new books and new DVDs at on the new DVDs and new bookshelves at Howe Library. And I'll go ahead and start by using this computer. This is a MacBook Pro, and I'm running the current operating system, Mac OS X, and I am using a Google Chrome web browser. And as you can see, I've navigated to www.thehow.org, and you can search for us on Google, Howe Library, Hanover, New Hampshire, and will be the first one that comes up, or you can type our web address. So what we'll do is, if you look at collections and resource on our home page and scroll with your cursor to new titles, that's a quick way to look at what's new. So you're going to want to go to our home page and then put your cursor for your mouse or trackpad over collection and resource, and from there click on new titles under Reader's Corner. So new titles, I'll go ahead and click that, and it might take a moment or two for it to load there, but you can see the librarians broke some of the new books in the main collection into different categories. So we can look at new mysteries or new DVDs, or a couple other categories here. So I'll go ahead and click on one of those. Click on New Nonfiction, and that will bring me to a list of new nonfiction books. And I can use my mouse here to scroll down the list, and these are in alphabetical order. And you can take your time to read about these books, and that will give you a good idea of some of the new items at the library. These would appear on our shelves unless they're checked out. So I will go ahead and click on one of those. I will click on the yellow bird, and I'll click on check our catalog, or yellow bird. And indeed, this is a book that is listed as in the new books main floor area, and actually it is currently checked out. So that's one way you can look for new books and discover new books. And I'm going to navigate back to our home page, and to do that I just clicked the Howe Library icon to the left here. It just says Howe Library, and I'll want to go ahead and log into my account. That way when we find a new book or new DVD that I'm interested in, I will be able to place a hold on that item. So I'll go ahead and click on log into your account. And for the purposes of this video, I will pause the tutorial momentarily. However, I will point out, and there are instructions on this page, that at this time you'll type in your 14-digit barcode number here, and then the next field you'll type in your 4-digit PIN and then click login. And again, if you have trouble finding these numbers, please feel free to reach out to the library by phone or email. So I'll go ahead and pause this video. And if you've had success, you'll see a page that appears like the one on the screen now. At the top right, you'll see a gray button that says log out and 3 other buttons. You'll see one that says log out, and that's always a good sign for me because that indicates that I'm in fact logged in. So log out is at the top. You'll see advanced search, and you'll see some other details about your library card here. But today we're just going to look at advanced search. So it's in blue right here, and I'll go to advanced search. So when you're in advanced search, we'll leave the title and authors blank because we'll just be browsing for any author or title. And below we'll see a item type. Now for this first demo here, we'll do video recording. Now that designates DVD in this menu. So we're looking for DVD, video recording. And under shelving location, we're going to want to go ahead and navigate to the new DVD area. So it might just take me a moment, but where the circulation desk is currently at the library, there is a new DVDs area. So I will click on new DVDs. And another trick is underneath here, you'll want to exclude electronic resources. That will, if that were left unchecked, you might get more results than you would want. But feel free to view our electronic resources and check out our Overdrive and Libby instructional screencast for more about that, as well as our Canopy and RD digital videos. So once you have video recording and new DVDs selected, I'm going to exclude electronic resources. Keyword, title, author are blank, and right in the middle there is a light blue button that says search. So with my cursor, I'll go ahead and press search. And in a moment, the screen will load some results. And these are kind of in a willy-nilly order. But you'll go ahead and see that there are a number of DVDs showing on the screen in the new DVDs main floor area, including Frozen 2, Uncut Gems, The Nightingale, and Jojo Rabbit, and things like that. So say I wanted to go in alphabetical order, I could sort my results further to title A to Z and wait for the web browser to load. As you can see, the results make sense because the first two, one actually, the title of the movie is a number, so that would come before A. So 1917, about World War I, and Abominable. So you're going to want to browse around and see what you might like. Aladdin, All Is True. So I'll say that I'm interested in 1917. Now you can place a hold directly from this screen, or you can drill down to the detail level. So I clicked on the title. That will bring me to the record for that item. As you can see, Howe Library lists 3 copies. In the new DVDs area, all 3 are currently on the hold shelf, but I'll go ahead and place a hold. And this next screen will show me the details I'll need to place that hold. And I'll go ahead and leave email checked, so it has my email there. And for text messaging, I will check the box if I want to receive a text message. And I'll type in my phone number here and click submit. And I'll get a message that says the hold was successfully placed. And that is how you look for and place a hold on a DVD that you were able to find in the new DVDs section. Now, you would perform similar search for new books. So I'm going to go ahead and select print material from the item type under advanced search, leave keyword title author blank, and from the drop-down menu of shelving location, I will go ahead and select new books main floor, and let's see, new books main floor. So I've gone ahead and selected that. And again, I'll exclude electronic resources in this video. So new books. Oop. Let's try that again. New books. Print material. Blanks for the search input. And again, the light blue search button. I'll go ahead and click that. And my web browser is going to work. You can see that at the top. And we have some results. Now we have many results, and that's good. So this page lists 1 of 10 of about 2,000 items listed in the new books section. Again, I can sort by title A to Z, and I'll go ahead and update my search that way. The web browser is working to update those results. And I'm scrolling down and I see a new book, James Patterson 19th Christmas, and it's from the winter time, but still listed in our new books area. And for that, I'll do the same thing we did for a new DVD and place a hold. But this video is just to give you an idea of how to find those new items and look for books and DVDs in the new books and new DVDs area. I hope you've found it informative so far, and if you stick around for a moment, I will show you how to do this process on a mobile device. Okay, and as you can see, I'm using a iPhone here. It will look similar if you're using a Android. Basically, you'll want to use your device to search the internet for Howe Library's website. The mobile website will look a little bit different than what you saw on the laptop. But here I just saved a bookmark, a Safari bookmark, to my home page called Howe Library. Just a bookmark there, and going to go ahead and tap on that bookmark, and it will show me the landing page, the home page for Howe Library. For this video, or for this part of the video, I'll go ahead and tap on log into your account. And similar to the laptop version, it's the same page really. And so I'll type in my library card number, that 14-digit barcode number on the back of my library card, and log in to my account with the barcode and PIN. And here advanced is in kind of the upper middle part of the page. It's in white text. There's the word advanced. There's other details about my account, but we'll go ahead and go to that advanced search screen there. Let's see. And once we tap on advanced search, we can scroll down to item type and shelving location. We'll leave the title and author blank once again. For shelving location, for this demonstration, we're going to look at the print books. So I'll go to New Books, Main Floor. And once that's selected, I'll go to item type and use my iPhone to select printed material. There's a little radio button I'll select for exclude electronic resources and hit search, the search button there toward the top. And I'll wait for my information to load there. And we have about that same number from the laptop portion of the video. We have 2,057 items, so it's 206 pages of items. You can look for the topics or author, but for this video we'll just stick to that main list. So again, it was shelving location. You'll see a scrolling menu for that, and we just selected the New Books Main Floor, and we left print material selected, searched for that, and yeah, we see a list of books there. Masquerade, couple non-fiction titles, mystery title. The M in the call number just stands for mystery. So anytime you see that, you'll know you're looking at a mystery book. And so I'll go ahead and show you an example of looking at the pages. So you can see there's several pages, all the way up to 206 pages of items. And let's see here. If you go ahead and search for the next few pages, you can look at other titles. You can read more about the titles by tapping on the title and scrolling down, and usually there's some kind of summary that talks about the book. And the holds page is similar to the laptop page. It's just the buttons are a little bit different, but you can go ahead and select text message if you want to receive a text message when the book is ready for you to pick up from the new books area. And for this, in this case, we haven't yet started the takeout curbside service, so it did not allow me to place that hold. But once we start up that service, you should see the ability to place holds on items that are available. So that just means if it's on the shelf right now, place the hold, we'll pull that book for you, and we'll set it aside for you. So please feel free to reach out to us by email or phone with any questions about books, browsing for new books, or suggestions for books or DVDs. We're always happy to help, and hope you found this tutorial helpful. And thanks again. Bye-bye.